Hello? Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to automatically manage multiple Twitter accounts using software that has this feature. With this software, I just need to select the account interaction function. That's it. Here we already have, for example, I have 15 accounts and the script here has already been prepared. And here we can set the number or the amount of accounts to run simultaneously. For example, you can enter 100 or 1000. So you can increase the number of accounts as much as you want. Here we can add a new script, edit the current script, or enable automatic commenting, AI, and so on. Here we can choose day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, depending on what we want. We want to set up account nurturing activities on different days. That's it. Here we can choose whether it reads notifications, likes posts, reposts, or scrolls through the feed. There are various activities and actions, and it interacts based on suggested follows. For the accounts we follow, if we want to build these accounts according to a specific group, it will automatically select these activities and choose the total number of actions per initial interaction. Then at the top, select Add New Scenario and click Save. Or we can edit an existing scenario, that's it. Here, since I already have a scenario prepared, I don't need to do anything else. When I click Start, these accounts will automatically run. Thank you and see you in the next video. Thank you.
Motherfucking